Hello class 9 students. Chapter 4, Linear Equations in Two Variables. Today I will teach you page number 76, example 4. Find two solutions for each of the following equations. For our first equation, question number 1, 4x plus 3y equal to 12. We have this linear equation in two variables. We need to find out two solutions for this equation. We need to find out y first in terms of x. So 4x you can send towards right side. So 3y equal to 12 minus 4x. Then y is equal to 12 minus 4x divided by 3. Now, since downside 3 is available, on the right side you have x. In place of x you can select any number, but don't take very big numbers, and take such numbers after this calculation that should be cancelled out by 3. Try to avoid decimal a fraction, and this concept is needed while drawing the graph also. So when x equals to 0, therefore y equals to 12 minus 4 into 0. In place of x I am putting 0 now. So 12 minus 0 by 3. 12 by 3, after cancellation it becomes 4. When x is equal to 3, y equal to 12 minus 4 into 3 divided by 3. 12 minus 12 by 3, 0 by 3, which is 0. Therefore two solutions are, solution whenever you are writing inside the first bracket, x 0, y is 4. So first solution, inside the first bracket you write 0, 4, and second solution, x is 3, y is 0. So whenever you are writing the solution, your solutions for linear equations in two variables, you can write inside the bracket x, y. Now I will teach you second question from this example. 2x plus 5y equal to 0. We will find out y first. So 5y equal to minus 2x, y is equal to minus 2x by 5. No constant this time. Now since downside 5 is there, to avoid the decimal a fraction, in place of x you select multiple of 5. That's why first I am selecting when x equals to 5. Therefore y equal to minus 2 into 5 by 5. 5 cancelled, coming out minus 2. When x is equal to minus 5, therefore y equals to minus 2 into minus 5 divided by 5. 5 cancelled, it becomes 2 only. Therefore two solutions are inside the first bracket 5 comma minus 2, first one, second one minus 5 comma 2. Now let me teach you third question from this example. 3y plus 4 equal to 0. Find out y. There is no x. So 3y equals to minus 4. Y is equal to minus 4 by 3. We need to find out solutions, although x is not available. So what we can do for this? Now two solutions are, since y we have minus 4 by 3, y is fixed. Y don't change. X is not available, so in place of x you can take any number, your wish. So I have taken 2 comma minus 4 by 3, 5 comma minus 4 by 3. Y should not change. Now I will enter in 4.2. First question. The solution of 4x minus y equal to 5 is, 4 options are there. Since last option is given all the above, that's why I have to test all the 3 options to get the solution of this. First option, point is given 2, 3. So when x is equal to 2, y equals to 3, you can put in this equation directly. In place of x 2, y 3. So 4 to the 8, 8 minus 3 is 5. So 5 is equal to 5. Both sides matching. Then you will put x equal to 3, y equal to 7. So 4 3 is 12 minus y is 7. 12 minus 7, 5. So 5 is equal to 5. This also solution, because both sides it is satisfying. Left, right both are matching. Third one, x is equal to 4, y equals to 11. So 4 into 4 minus 11 equal to 5. 16 minus 11, that is 5 equal to 5. Here also left, right both are matching. That's why D is the right answer, all the above. Second MCQ. A solution of this equation 2x minus 3y equals to 5 is. Four options are there. After guessing, I have tested the second one, where x equal to 4, y equal to 1 is available. Put in this equation, x is 2, y is 1. 2 for the 8, 8 minus 3 is 5. Left, right both are matching. So other option I don't need to check, because here only left, right both are matching. That's why x equal to 4 and y equal to 1 is the right solution for this equation. So B is the right answer for this. Let me teach you third MCQ. Good question. If x equal to 1 and y equal to 2 is the solution of the equation 3x plus 5y minus k equal to 0. You could see here k. We need to find out the value of k. That's our question. So do the calculation like this. Since x equal to 1 and y equal to 2 is the solution of this equation, then in place of x you put 1, y you put 2, 3 1s are 3, 5 2s are 10, minus k equal to 0, 13 minus k equals to 0, so minus k equal to minus 13, both side minus cut, k is coming out 13. So right option is D, 13. I hope it is clear to you. Whenever a solution is already available, it must satisfy the equation. So directly you can put in place of x and y and you can continue. Now fourth question, fourth MCQ. X equal to 3 and y equal to 2 is a solution for which equation? Four equations are there. For all the equations this may not be the solution. So I have tested the first option. If you can't understand, then all the options should be tested. In place of x I am putting 3, y I am putting 4, y I am putting 2, sorry. Then 2 3s are 6, 3 2 are 6, 6 plus 6 12. Left right is matching. That means this is a solution for this respective equation, not the others. X equal to 3, y equal to 2 is a solution for which equation? Four options are there. First option I have tested. Left right both are matching. If left right both are matching, then this is definitely a solution for this equation. So I don't need to test it others. Right option A, 2x plus 3y equals to 12. Number 5. If x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 is a solution of the equation this, then k how much? Already given that x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 is a solution for this respective equation. So in place of x you can put 2, y you can put 1. 2 to the 4 minus k plus 7 equals to 8. Minus k, keep it towards left side. 4 and 7 send towards right side. So 8 minus 4 minus 7. Minus k equals to 8 minus 11. Minus k equals to minus 3. K is coming out 3. So B is the right option for this, 3. You have to test it by this way. Although it is 1 mark question, you have to solve this side by side to get the perfect option. Now, question number B, first question I will teach. Which of the following option is true? Y equal to 3x plus 5 has unique solution, there is only one solution, only two solutions, infinitely many solutions. You know that for linear equation in two variables, since right side x is there, in place of x any number you can select. How many numbers you will select, that many y you will get. That means so many solutions you can get. So this equation y equal to 3x plus 5 has third one is the right option, infinitely many solutions. Reason they are asking, because for each and every value of x, because right side x is there, in place of x one number you can select. Here every value of x, there is one and only one value of y. One and only one value of y. This is the answer to this. With this, I will conclude today.